Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to flip objects in Lumion. This is a simple skill. It's super useful for adding variety to your scenes. Flipping objects can make your designs look more natural and less repetitive. Let's dive right in. First, select the object you want to flip. Go into Object Placement mode. Choose the object you wish to manipulate. You will see the placement gizmo appear. Now, look for the flip button. It's usually found in the Object Properties panel. This panel appears when you select an object. The location can vary slightly depending on your Lumion version. Find the flip options. These options typically include flipping along the X, Y, and Z axis. Experiment with each axis. See which one gives you the desired result. This will depend on the object's orientation. Flipping along the X-axis will create a mirror image horizontally. Flipping along the Y-axis will create a mirror image vertically. Flipping along the Z-axis will rotate the object 180 degrees around the vertical axis. Now, let's talk about specific scenarios. Suppose you have a row of chairs. You can flip some of them along the Z-axis to create a more dynamic arrangement. This makes the scene look less uniform. Consider flipping trees or plants. Flipping them can break up repetition. This leads to a more natural-looking environment. Another important tip, remember the object's pivot point. The flipping action happens around the pivot point. The location of the pivot point can affect the final result. If the object looks strange after flipping, check the pivot point. You can sometimes adjust the pivot point in your modeling software before importing into Lumion. Also, understand the difference between flipping and rotating. Flipping creates a mirror image. Rotation changes the object's orientation around an axis. Both are useful tools for scene creation. Use them in combination to achieve the best results. Finally, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment with flipping objects, the better you'll become at it. Try flipping different types of objects. See how it affects the scene. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn. Flipping in Lumion can really enhance your renders. It can add that extra level of realism and detail. Remember to experiment with the different axes to achieve the desired effect. Always consider the pivot point. And don't be afraid to make mistakes and learn from them. This is how you become a master of Lumion. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more Lumion tutorials, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Your support helps me create more content like this. Thanks again, and happy rendering!